Hey guys, I'm How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your Facebook account to your Reddit profile page. That when you are on your Reddit profile, you see a Facebook icon, and when you click it, it directs you straight to your Facebook account. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is hop onto your mobile device or on your desktop browser and open up Reddit. Now, from out here, you will see the homepage of Reddit. Now, what you want to do, you want to go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears, and here you see the first option, which is the profile. Now we're going to open our profile, and right here you already see 3 social links I've already added: the Twitch, TikTok and Twitter icon. Now here you want to add a social link, the middle option, and from out here you see a load of stuff to use. Now what we want to do is we want to find the Facebook icon right here, and here you can choose the display text, so maybe it's a Facebook group or something else, and use this, and that will create the text on the icon itself. So let's say group, and then do the normal Facebook link like so, .com, and if we press save, it adds the Facebook link to our Reddit. Now let's say you've just put up your Facebook group or something else, and you press it, it goes directly to the link that you provided to the Reddit, and from down there they both are linked together. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.